Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kira Jamtani and today's topic is alcohols, phenols and ethers part 2. In part 1 we studied introduction, classification, nomenclature and structure of these functional groups. Now in this video we are going to start with preparation of alcohols and phenols. So moving on to the preparation of alcohols we can prepare. The first reaction is from alkenes. So alkenes by acid catalyzed hydration, that is alkenes react with water in presence of acid as catalyst to form alcohols. Like we have this alkene, it reacts with water in the presence of acid and thus we get over here alcohol. If it is a case of unsymmetric alkenes, then addition of water takes place according to the Markovnich's rule. For example, we have CH3 CH double bond CH2. So here water will be added following Markovnich's rule. Markovnich's rule says the negative part goes to that carbon having less number of hydrogen. So here we will get secondary alcohol. Moving on to next reaction from alkenes only. So next is by hydroboration oxidation. So diborane reacts with alkene to form trialkyl boranes as addition product, and this trialkyl borane is oxidized to alcohol by hydrogen peroxide in the presence of aqueous NaOH. So we have alkene over here, CH3 CH double bond CH2. Diborane, that is BH3 whole twice, reacts with alkene and thus it follows anti-Markovnich's rule. So here we will get CH3 CH2 CH2 BH2. Again it reacts with alkenes. This product reacts with alkene and it forms CH3 CH2 CH2 whole twice BH. Again it reacts with alkene, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is will get trialkyl borane. Now this trialkyl borane, it is oxidized to alcohol. This bond breaks and it is oxidized to alcohol in the presence of aqueous NaOH and by hydrogen peroxide. Thus we get over here BOH whole thrice. This is how alcohols are prepared. So addition of borane to double bond takes place in such a manner that boron gets attached to sp2 carbon. The alcohol so formed, it looks as if it has been formed by the addition of water to the alkene. Now over here in this reaction, basically anti-Markovnich's rule is followed. Moving on to next preparation is carbonyl compounds. First is we studied from alkenes. From alkenes there were two preparations. One was acid catalyzed hydration and second hydroboration oxidation. Now moving on to from carbonyl compounds. So by reduction of aldehydes and ketones, they are reduced to alcohols in presence of hydrogen by the addition of hydrogen in presence of catalyst. Therefore we call it as catalytic hydrogenation. Usually we take catalyst like platinum, palladium or nickel. So we have RCHO, that is aldehyde. On reaction with hydrogen, on addition of hydrogen in presence of catalyst palladium, we get primary alcohol. Now aldehydes are also prepared by treating with sodium. Aldehydes and ketones are also reduced by treating it with sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride, like we have RCHO. So here if we treat with LiLH4 or sodium borohydride, again we will get RCH2OH. Similarly if we are taking ketone over here, so ketone also on reaction with LiLH4 or sodium borohydride, we will get RCHOHR dash. That is, aldehydes on reduction forms primary alcohol, ketones on reduction forms secondary alcohol. Next is by reduction of carboxylic acids and esters. So, we have carboxylic acid, that is RCOOH. Carboxylic acids, these are reduced to primary alcohol on reaction with lithium aluminium hydride, which is strong reducing agent. Similarly, if we take esters over here, RCOOR dash. So, in esters with LiAlH4, this bond breaks and thus we get two types of alcohol, that is RCH2OH plus R dash OH. So, this is how we can prepare alcohols from carbonyl compounds. Now, moving on to the preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagents. So, like over here, what happens when carbonyl compounds reacts with Grignard reagent, they form alcohol. Like we are taking carbonyl compound, that is HCHO. So, when it reacts with Grignard reagent, that is CH3 MgBr. So, MgBr will go with this carbon and CH3 will be attached to the C. Thus, we will get HCOMgBr. Here we will get CH3 and H. Now, this bond will break on hydrolysis, here H and OH. Thus, we will get CH3 CH2OH. So, we can say when HCHO we are taken with RMgX, HCHO forms primary alcohol. Similarly, if we will take over here CH3CHO, that is any aldehyde except formaldehyde, acetaldehyde or propanol or butanol, when they react with Grignard reagent CH3MgBr, so here they will form secondary alcohol. It will be OMgBr, here CH3 and H. Again on hydrolysis this bond will break, here OH and here OH. So, thus we will get CH3 CH OH CH3 plus MgBr OH. So, any aldehyde except formaldehyde will give secondary alcohol. And if we are taking ketone over here, that is CH3COCH3, when it reacts with this Grignard reagent, so ketone on reaction with Grignard reagent, it forms CH3O. Again MgBr will go here and CH3 here, OMgBr, CH3CH3. Thus on hydrolysis, here H and OH, we will get CH3 COH CH3 CH3 plus MgBrOH. So, this is how we can prepare alcohols from Grignard reagent by using carbonyl compound, that is aldehydes and ketones. So, coming on to the preparation of phenols, first is from haloarenes. So, haloarenes may usually we take chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene, it is fused with NaOH at 623 Kelvin and 320 atmospheric pressure. So, we get over here sodium phenoxide, which on acidification it forms alcohol. The second preparation is from benzene sulfonic acid. Now, how we get this sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid? So, benzene on reaction with oleum, it forms benzene sulfonic acid, that is benzene with SO3H. Now, benzene sulfonic acid, it is first converted to sodium phenoxide when it is heated with NaOH. So, we get sodium phenoxide ion, which again on acidification will form phenol. So, these were the two preparations of phenols from haloarenes and from benzene sulfonic acid. Moving on to third preparation, that is from diazonium salts. Diazonium salts are benzene with N2Cl group. Now, how it is prepared? So, aniline when it reacts with nitrous acid, that is NaNO2 plus HCl, it forms diazonium salt. This diazonium salts, they are hydrolyzed by warming with water, or they can be treated with acids, and thus we get over here alcohol. The last preparation of phenols is from cumene. Cumene is isopropylbenzene. So this is cumene, CH3. So cumene is oxidized in the presence of air to form cumene hydroperoxide. That is, we'll get over here COOH, and this is CH3. So this we got cumene hydroperoxide. Now on treating with acid, dilute acid, we will get over here, this will be removed, CH3COCH3 will get as a byproduct and phenol will be obtained. So in this video we studied how to prepare alcohols and phenols. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.